We're New Energy Structures. We're a company out of Longmont, Colorado. We've worked all around the country doing fixed tilts, dual axis trackers, even a couple rooftops sprinkled in and out. You think of GPS, you think of Trimble. It's one of the top companies that makes, great working GPS technology, especially when it comes to pile driving. This was all new technology for me. I've never run GPS on anything except inside my car or out on a hunting trail. Never used it for construction before. The precision that we got out of that unit for our pile driving out here is second to none. You can get it, mere centimeters off where you need to be. The thing will darn near drive itself. The old school method of laying string line, with the Groundworks technology, you're taking that away when you have that information right in front of you. I've got 5 guys out here with me right now, and we're basically doing the work for 10 guys. We did the last 2 rows on this field with no string line, no points in the ground, and it was extremely accurate. It was a game changer. The thing I was most impressed about was having it get your machine, spot on to where that pile location is. You're talking a 95% post accuracy out on this field by itself. Imagine what you can do on a 50 megawatt site. Yeah. That's saving time everywhere. One thing we try to stray away from as much as we can is rework. Nobody likes rework. With the GPS and even the Groundworks technology implemented into what we did out here, I'm talking about saving 80 plus hours on my man-hour budget for post-QC and moving forward task to task. So after your piles go, you start your racking. If your posts are primo, you're saving time, which in turn saves money. The pile driving aspect on a solar site build is the main foundation, no pun intended. If your posts are right, your system's right. So using the pitch and roll functions off of the Groundworks system, that was a time saver. Having that on the screen in front of the operator, there's not much of a learning curve. There's 2 lines on your monitor. There's one on top for your pitch and roll, your others on the other side. Just keeping your little hourglass green. With the Groundworks system, we hit about a 95% post accuracy rating out here. One thing I really liked in that system working with it, when you hit your embedment depth, the little dot would turn green. If something was wrong or you hit a refusal or something didn't work, the dot was red. In with that as well, you have 5 points of contact on each location. So your location of the pile, if it's out of tolerance, one direction or another, your northeast, south, or west, and your embedment depth. So it actually takes a quality control log as you're pile driving. From a supervisor standpoint, that's really cool for me. That saves me time after everyone's gone of me having to walk through the field and handwriting these locations down. Taking that information from each machine at the end of the day, plug it into my computer, look at all those maps, saves me a lot of walking. With the Groundworks technology, being able to upload that file on a daily basis, showing me how many piles we're hitting a day by one machine and embedment depths, tolerances, their degrees in and out, up and down, it just streamlines my work. From a supervisor standpoint, the more information I can get on a daily basis to give my clients, my contractors, anybody else who needs it, better benefits me at the end of the day.